Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off your captions on your YouTube TV. So if you want to turn on or turn off the captions on YouTube TV, all you have to do is you can open any video or any channel or any live broadcast that you are watching.
Season since USC pulled it off.
And what you can do is simply go to the bottom right corner and you are going to see this CC icon which says subtitle or closed captions. So if you click on it, it is going to turn on the subtitles and you are going to see the subtitles on your screen. And if you click again on it, then it is going to turn off the captions. So this is how you can turn on or turn off the captions on your YouTube TV. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.